Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Tinder with your phone number. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder on your device. To log into Tinder with your phone number, tap Login with phone number and enter your phone number. Tap Continue. A verification code will be sent to your phone number and Tinder will automatically verify the code. So tap Continue. And that's how you log into Tinder with your phone number. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.